This is a cel shaded makeup tutorial, and I start by putting in my contacts that I got from Pinky Paradise. I'm using both Borderlands and Arcane as a style reference. I start by using the style you see in Arcane, where I'm using highlights and shadows to create the cel shaded effect. I did blend my midtones, but for the highlights and shadows, I'm really not going to be blending those as much, so you get that harsh line. I'm mainly using my Krylon color wheel, but I'm also using a contour and highlight stick from Anastasia, and I'm also using e.l.f. products as well. By strategically placing the highlights and shadows, you really get that effect you see in Arcane, but I'm also going to be adding in that line work to get that Borderlands effect. I'm using an e.l.f. liquid liner for this part. Normally I would use my Mayron palette with a brush, but I felt like the tip of this was going to give me a little bit more control. The lines all shouldn't have the same weight, meaning the width of them should vary. And I used a similar technique on the clothes, and for the hair I used cardstock paper and attached them to the hat using gaff tape. I do plan on wearing this hat again, so I didn't want to permanently attach the hair, but I felt like it was a really cool effect to have the hair be the cardstock as well. I hope this helps some of you with your cosplay, or for those of you who just want to do a cool makeup look, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.